Hi friends, good morning. This is Mahendra. So now in this session we will see how to find loggings in SQL Server. So here I have a machine. So I have a 2012 instance. Okay, I have a new query window. Mm, Generally we can see blockings whenever there are some locks in on a table like exclusive lock and shade lock. Many locks. So whenever a login has exclusive lock, when some other login is trying to access the table, okay, then these blockings will occur. So now let us see practically how to find out um, these blockings. Okay, here I'm going to create one new database. Okay, so which is a test database. Okay, I'm creating a test database. Okay, my new database got created. Okay, now let me go and create two logins. So right click on login and say new login. Here I'm going to create two new SQL logins. Let's say login one. Okay, so I'm giving the server roles as a sysadmin. Okay. So I'm mapping this login to this database, test database. Okay, now this login one can access this database, and now let me go and create a new login. So login to which is SQL login. Okay, I'm providing this admin role to this login to. Okay, now I'm mapping this login to test database, right? Okay, now I have two logins here. Login, and let me rename it as login one for our convenience. Okay, so login one and login. Now I'm login as a login one, so which is a SQL login. So got connected, and then I'm going to login with login to. Got connected. So let me go to this test database, and I'm going for new query window. Say I'm going to create a new table. Create table, table one. The columns SNV, which is of integer type, and SName, which is of varchar type. Let's say the varchar 40, and let's say mm, any column like place, so which is a varchar 50. Okay. I'm executing this command. The new table got created. Okay, now let me insert some values into this table. So insert into tab 1 values, 1 comma let's say Rama is from Georgia. I'm executing this command. Okay, so this command got executed. So second, I'm using here Krishna is from Dwaraka. Right. Okay. So I just created one table by using this sysadmin credentials. Okay, so now let us query the data. Select star from tab 1. Okay, here we can see two rows, right? And let me go and quickly create one new query windows for this login 1 and then login 2. Okay, so now let's try. So use test database, then go select star from tab 1. Okay, this from login 1 this table is accessible, and login 2 this table is accessible. Okay, here if you see login 1 session ID is 55 and login to session ID is 62, which is SPID. Okay, now let's say this 55 is going to begin one transaction. Begin tran, and he is trying to insert one record. Govinda and Tirumala. Insert into tab 1 values. We had to mention equal. Okay, and of it. Now this transaction will create will have a exclusive locker this table 1. Okay, so until the here transaction begin. Okay, so here login 1 inserted one record, and this transaction was not committed, not committed, not committed. So until unless we fire a command like commit, this exclusive will not be released. Now here, so let me access this table from tab 1. Okay. So here we can see query is executing. Still, we are not able to get any out. Okay, means there was a blocking. Okay, since this login 1 has exclusive lock in this table 1. Okay, and this login 2 is trying to get shade lock. Okay, which is blocked by this login 1. Now let's see what are the sessions got blocked. Okay, this is my main session. Okay. So here let me fire one command. Select star from sys.tm underscore execution request. So this is a statement, so which will tell us what are the requests that SQL Server is getting. Now here there are some system requests, system process as well as user process. Okay. Now for system process, these are system. Let me filter it out by using where command, where condition, where session ID is greater than 50 and blocking session ID is not equal to 0. Okay. Firing this command. Okay. So this will tell us the information. Okay. Now there is a session with the number 62. Okay. This 62 is getting blocked. 62 is getting blocked. This is section got blocked. Okay. Now it is in status suspended state. Okay. The command it's getting is select command. Okay. It is not able to try this select command. Okay. We can see on which database the query is fired. Okay. And then we can see connection ID and the blocking session ID. So which is blocking. So now my 55 is blocking this session. Right. So now it's waiting for shade log. It's waiting for shade log, and then wait and how much time it is waiting. Okay. Here in wait resource in RID, we can see this is the database ID, and this is an MDF file, and this is page number, and this is block number inside the page. So now, until unless the login one finishes his transaction, okay. This guy, this 62 is not able to get shade log on this table tab 1. Now let's execute some commands. So we have fired this login one session ID is 55. So this is blocking that number 62 session. Now let's see what are we know the session ID. First one is what is the session ID getting blocked. So 50 62, this is getting blocked. Okay. Session ID is 62. And which is getting blocked by 55 session. You can see SPID of this session is 55 and this is getting 62 is getting blocked. So now we need to find out so what are the commands is login one is firing. Okay. So this is so let us login SPID login. This is login one SPID 55 and this is login 2 SPID. Now we have to see what are the commands he's firing. Okay, 55. So now let's fire the command. Let's run sys processes where SPID equal to 55. This will give the information. So 55 and wait type and total information equal to. So if you need to have information like 62, and we need to fire this command. Okay. So this was blocked by 55. 62 is getting blocked by 55. So 55 is not allowing to fire select command from 62. So now let us find out what which command is this 55 session is getting fired. Means login one is which command he is firing. Okay, so we have one um, command like a dvcc input buffer of session id 55. Okay, so if you fire this one, then it will give information about this event information. Means what is the command the login one is firing through this SPID 52. So now we have to check which command is getting failed. Now here same command we provide number 62. So this will give information about command which is blocked. Select command is getting blocked, right? So now this is the way how to find what are the commands is getting blocked and which command is running. Okay, which command is getting exclusive lock because of the exclusive lock and the tab one. Okay, so hold by login one is uh, this SPID 62 which is used by login 2. Okay, login 2 is not able to fire a select command on this table one. Okay, so in some this is a single line statement. In sometimes this statement this command will be more characters. Okay, so we can by using this input buffer we can get the information about this command if it is up to 256 characters. Okay, in some situations the code will be like more than 250 characters. Means it may be a thousand characters or 10,000 characters. What if the command is 1 lakh characters? Okay, which is of multiple hundreds of lines. Okay, then we have a separate command. Okay, which we will use to find out from which we will get the information. Okay, now um, let me go through it. Okay, we use handle. Okay, here we use the SQL Server handle. Okay, which is a SQL handle. Okay, which gets address of plan address of the plan in the plan cache. So now I need to actually this is the command file. So let's start from version underscore get SQL. So this is the actual command. Okay, here we need to provide one parameter. Okay, to provide this parameter I need to define this parameter. Okay, so I am declaring this handle as a binary of 20. Next I am selecting this handle, select handle equal to SQL underscore handle from sys processes where SPID equal to 55. Okay, so this is a 3-line code and firing this command. Okay, so now here we can see the same information. Okay, this will is the information if the select whatever may be the lines of code. If it is more than 250 characters, by using this function handle function we can get the query whatever which query is running right now, okay, on the particular table. Okay, so this is the process how we get to know which is about blocking. Okay. So here let us summarize what we did. Okay, first we created one test database, and we created one table tab one, and we created one. We have inserted the two records, and after that we have created two logins, login one and login two, and we have logged in by using this login one and the login two accounts. After that, we have open new queries, okay, which will initiate two sessions to this SQL server, and we have inserted from login one. We have inserted this command. Okay. So this will hold you exclusive lock on table one, and after that we have fired a um, select statement from this login to query window. Okay. So this is getting blocked. So if you can see, still we didn't get any response. Okay. So this will be blocked till that there is a transaction. If I commit here, then only this will be this exclusive lock will be released, and the select statement gets the chance to select records from table one. So after that, so we have uh, so we have found there is some blockage. Okay, so what are the sessions getting blocked? User session. Okay, we can find out by using this command. Let's start from sys.dm underscore exec underscore request. A session is equal session ID is equal to 50, and blocking session ID is not equal to 0. Okay, here so we came to know that the 55 is blocking this transactions means comments of 62. We have found these SP IDs as 55 and 62 for login on 55. Okay, on login on 62, and after that we have found this blockage by using these two commands. Okay, and we we found what are the statements login one is firing by using this bbcc input buffer 55, which is a SPID, and after that which is we have found by which command is getting blocked by using this command bbcc input buffer 62. So after that, so we came to know what are the commands are currently getting uh, uh, getting fired by this login one and login two. Okay, so this is a special case um, where the comments are more than 56 characters. By using this function, we can find out commands, okay, which are getting fired on a particular resource. So this is the procedure to find out blockings and which sections are getting blocked. Fine. So by using this procedure, we can find out easily. And so before, so this is a critical issue. We need to send an email by saying these two sessions are currently uh, holding these particular logs. Okay, because of this login is firing those begin run command. Okay, login to is not able to take a shared log on the particular resource. Okay, so we need your confirmation to kill these sessions, or we just tell them to commit the transaction. Okay, so this issue will be solved. So thanks for watching my video. Thank you very much.